With that, let me invite our next panelist, Dr. Meenakshi Bharath. Dr. Meenakshi has been associated with the Wheels for last year and a half, and I first had a chance to meet her during the webinar we did about 15 months ago at AIMS to talk about innovations in women's health. And it was amazing to see her fiery passion, her unwavering support to have women and girls all over the country adopt more sustainable choices, particularly menstrual cup. Dr. Bharath started with in-person workshops in Telangana and Karnataka, and now she has partnered with the spoken tutorials to leverage the technology to lower the barrier and reach much larger number of people. As Dr. Bharat said, rural India faces significant challenges with waste management. Converting women to using menstrual cups not only eliminates menstrual waste, but also provides a comfortable, cost-effective, and environmental-friendly solution. It is beneficial for women and a relief for the civic bodies. Menstrual cups makes for rash-free, trash-free, and cash-free periods. Even if 10% of India's menstruating population switched to menstrual cups, it would prevent billions of disposable sanitary products from ending up in the landfill. Huge, huge opportunity. So let me welcome Dr. Meenakshi and question for her. We have many educators with us today. What role do schools, health workers, and NGOs play in promoting this hugely important initiative of sustainable menstrual hygiene solutions? Dr. Meenakshi.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity, and a happy Women's Day to everybody. My mission in life is to make women happy during their periods and not be, hassled, worried, uncomfortable, don't have enough money to buy products that are healthy for them. So all that happens. That's my mission in life, especially being a gynecologist. I want women's happiness. And on World Women's Day, I would love to have more women convert to using this menstrual cup. And how must we spread this word? We can only spread it by word of mouth. And if we can convert, like Ashima ji said, that we speak to all the ASHA workers, we speak to all the Anganwadi workers, we speak to the every school. So the spoken tutorials will go across to all these people, and they will be able to hear it in their spare time, in their comfort time, because there's still so much of topic. Why are you listening to menstruation? Talks on it. Because only the woman is concerned about it, and only the woman knows how what a difference it can make to her. So spoken tutorials will make a huge difference because she can hear it in her privacy. She can hear it how many ever times that she wants, and she can get her answers without needing to contact A, B, and C. But the ASHA, the Anganwadi workers, the teachers, the mothers are the people who can help. And to explain how periods are going to make you from a girl child to a woman is extremely important. But who talks about it? Who tells you that growing up is exciting? So we need to send that message out to everybody. And that is the mandate that Spoken Tutorials does. And that is the mandate that all these women that you're talking about will be able to convey to them and spread the message.
And Dr. Meenakshi, I think we hope to see your fiery passion take this technology, take this wonderful solution to all over the country. And could not have been a better platform and day to talk about it than today.
Thank you very much, sir.
And again, you pointed out number of aspects of the spoken tutorial as a critical enabling platform to
Yes, it
explain
is.
new concepts, new practices, new behaviors, and make it easy for people to understand them in their own local language,
Absolutely.
in the local cultural context. And we look forward to partnering with you. I think this solution has immense benefit in so many ways, in health, in environment, in cost savings,
Economics.
economics. So makes sense from every angle. And hopefully Spoken Tutorials program as well as the Wheels Global Foundation will be part of your mission and make it successful. And I'm so glad to see leaders like Ashima stepping up and offering to take the message to her entire district as well as the state level. And
Absolutely, sir.
those are the leaders we are going to look forward to. We will continue to work at state level. The program we
Absolutely.
have in Madhya Pradesh again offers a golden opportunity for us to bring some of these new innovations, new solutions at the entire state. So we look forward to partnering with you, and I'm glad you were able to join us today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.